Yeah, what's up, man? All right, let me put my headset on so I can actually hear you. All right, so that should switch over automatically.
Yep.
You hear me all right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Stream, can you hear me all right? Which not really, so we gotta pull this microphone down. Sure, the stream can hear you all right.
Can they hear me?
Yes, gotta turn you up. Gotta be all right now.
Testing.
Yeah. Yeah, you should be good now.
All right.
See, I think NFTs is what we should really look at creating if we wanted to create something. Because, I mean, to do an NFT, we really don't need to do a whole lot at this point. I mean, you just take anything that we have that we actually did make ourselves and make an NFT.
I don't know how to code an NFT.
Well, that's what we need to figure out. Do you know how to code a cryptocurrency?
No.
Yeah, neither do I.
But that's why I sent you that video earlier. You can use Python to break down a crypto algorithm of the choice that you like, and then you can look at that and build on your own that way. There was a video I sent.
Yeah, I got it.
Some bullshit.
Okay, so coins require their own blockchains while tokens can operate on existing blockchains. Tokens are limited to a specific project where coins can be used anywhere. Coins buy tokens, but tokens can't buy coins.
Yeah.
If you want to put tokens and coins in real life contents, think of tokens as your frequent flyer miles, while coins are actual money. Both to get an airplane ticket, but the miles for choice will be limited to the air company that issued them. All the money you can take your business anywhere you want. Take your business anywhere you want. Bottom line is that you need to build a blockchain if you want to create a crypto coin. How to create a blockchain. Know your use case. Do your business interests lay in smart contract area, data authentication and verification, or in asset management? Define your objectives clearly at the beginning. Use a consensus mechanism. For your blockchain to operate smoothly, the participating nodes must agree on which transactions should be considered legitimate and added to the block. Consensus mechanisms are the protocols that do just that. There are plenty to choose from. The best fit of your objectives. Pick a blockchain platform. Choice of blockchain platform will depend on consensus mechanisms selected. Give you a better idea of what is out there, here's a list of the most popular blockchain platforms. Ethereum, Wave, NEM, Next, Blockstarter, EOS, BitShares 2.0, CoinList, Hyperledger Fabric, IBM Blockchain, Multichain, HydroChain, BigChain DB, OpenChain, ChainCore, Corium, IOTA, and Kiko.
Huh.
Step 4, design node. Which is really kind of, I mean, we're between step 1 and step 4. So I would say that, I mean, I think we ought to do do a cryptocurrency start, whether it be just a test or the actual basis to what we're going to build on top of. I think we ought to just make one to make one. You know what I mean? Get
Yeah.
an understanding of the code, stuff like that. So I think smart contracts or data authentication verification would be the best way to go about that. And I think data authentication verifications probably are easiest because we can take any data out there, turn it into a SHA-256. I mean, we can literally take any file on our computer and pull a SHA-256. Say, here's the code for it. It's been verified. So designing the node, which is kind of where we're at. You imagine blockchain as a wall, nodes are the bricks that it consists of. A node is an internet connected device supporting a blockchain by performing various tasks from storing data or from storing the data to verifying the processing transaction. Blockchains depend on nodes for efficiency, support, and security. There are a number of choices you have to make about the nodes you will employ. What are they going to be in terms of permissions? Are they going to be private, public, or hybrid? They be hosted on the cloud, on premises, or both. Select, acquire the necessary hardware details such as processors, memory, disk sizes, etc. Pick a base operating system from most choices would be Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, Debian, CentOS, or Fedora. Establish your blockchain's internal architecture. Permissions, address formats, key formats, asset insurance, asset reinsurance, key management, multi-signatures, atomic swaps, plan for smart contracts, enabling the exchange of different cryptocurrencies without a trusted third party. Parameters, estimate maximum block size, rewards for block mining, transaction limits, etc. Native assets, find rules of native currency issued in a blockchain. Block signatures, define how blockchain participants creating the blockchain will require to sign them. Handshaking, establishing the rules of how the nodes will identify themselves when connecting to each other.
My shit be running slow as fuck.
Huh?
I don't know what's up, man. My PC. Like I just used the internal, like let it scrub itself because it had the restore on it. I might actually have to wipe it. I don't think something that deep would be in there though. Maybe defrag it. Uh I don't like I said, I don't know how to make a crypto, but I can watch videos on how to make bots that can do what you're doing for you. Like what you do to make the pennies on the day, like how you buy and sell the way you do. There's YouTube videos that they show you how to make bots to do that for you, and it's used with Coinbase. So you could technically automate that for yourself.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of programs out there that you can automate it for you too. I mean, the one that I use, you can halfway automate it. You can say, okay, I want to buy it whenever it hits this price, and I want to sell it whenever it hits this price.
Yeah. Yee. Got that finally. But yeah, no, I wouldn't mind learning how to code that anyways, because like Python is going to be a big tool for us, because especially like if we get to the point where we're using our bigger machines to create revenue that we could then sell and buy into crypto, we can make bots to do that for us. And to know exactly how that works inside and out, you know.
Yeah.
There's a whole fucking GitHub page too. Holy shit.
To what?
To
Programming
that well,
Those
just
bots?
along bots. Well, it's not really a bot, but like you're kind of making it a bot. You have to combine two of these programs that you code with Python together and get them to work. But what one does is it basically looks at the ups and downs and kind of like creates its own little algorithm on how, when it's best time to buy and sell, kind of. So it would remind you, and then you have a bot that would actually, the way he shows it is it would compare those I guess like the way there's an A market or an A exchange and a B exchange, and there's price discrepancies between them. Well, the way the spot works is it buys those in between those discrepancies, so you make the profit. And so then with that profit, he goes and he uses that actual profit to invest in his uh, other cryptocurrency algorithm that he has. He has a few videos on there. Pretty sure I sent you the one that I'm talking about. Holy fuck. There we go. I might not have sent you this one actually. Here. I don't like it's. I was watching a different, like he uses there's a how to code a trading bot in Python which shows like graphs the best time to buy and sell. Which then I was watching another guy code with Leaf, but he didn't really have many videos, but this guy has a lot. A lot. I threw it up in the chat though. What the fuck is this thing? Oh. Yeah, rewind to the beginning because it did up where I took
What?
it, where my history picked up at. So to understand what he's talking about, the link for some reason it's the link for my history.
Oh.
And I guess they put the exact timestamp of where you last were watching. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with my audio here.
To be a blockchain developer because you can capitalize on all these major opportunities that other developers don't have. You know, of course, you can get a high-paying job or become a freelancer, but you can also jump on this big DeFi trend by, creating your own trading bots, doing
Yeah.
actually want to make money with this stuff, then you need this one key piece that I'm going to show you in this video. So before we get into that, if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel,
I can't hear
turn you into a
anything.
blockchain master. So if that's something that you're interested in, then smash the like button.
Oh, there you go. Oh, well, if I want to listen to your stream, I have
if you want
to
to learn how to master
my
blockchain
mic
step by
because I can hear
step from
myself.
start to finish, then head on over to dappuniversity.com/bootcamp to get started today. So what is the key to creating a profitable crypto trading bot? Well, I'm going to tell you, and then I'm actually going to give you a template that you can use to set up your own bot to employ this strategy. So make sure you stick around for the rest of this video to find out how to set it up. So if you actually want to make money, then you need to be able to find profitable trading opportunities at scale. So what do I mean by this? So some people try to create trading bots that predict the future price of a cryptocurrency, based on past historical data, but that's risky. Your model might fail and you might lose money. So what if you could create a trading bot that finds profitable opportunities right now rather than waiting for the future price to change? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. See, there are a lot of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges out there, and it seems like more are popping up by the day. And often these exchanges have price discrepancies, meaning that, sometimes a token costs, $100 on exchange A, and it costs $101 on exchange B. So whenever this happens, there's an opportunity to buy the cryptocurrency on exchange A and then sell it on exchange B for a profit. This is called arbitrage, and that's how you can capitalize on an opportunity right now rather than waiting for the price to change in the future. And there's basically zero risk. Now, the real question is, how do you find these opportunities? Well, you could go through a list of each of these exchanges, like go to their websites, check the prices, and then, go look at every single token out there and try to check their prices. But if you did this by hand, it would take way too long, and the opportunity might disappear completely by the time you find it. Well, guess what? You can fully automate this process by creating a bot that does this for you at scale. It can watch dozens of cryptocurrency exchanges and, also look at hundreds of tokens. Nearly an infinite number of token pairs to try to find these price discrepancies. And this is a massive force multiplier because there's no way you could do all this on your own by hand. And that's the key, the ability to find these profitable opportunities. And if you don't have this, you won't get very far. And there's a few other pieces of the puzzle too, like the ability to make trades. But I've got you covered on this one too. Go check out the video I did recently where I show you how to steal my cryptocurrency trading bot. I show you how to set that thing up to actually execute trades on the blockchain with a bot. And we'll use some of that same code in this video. So you can combine both of these strategies together to create a fully automated process for yourself. And if you have both of these pieces of the puzzle, then you're ready to go. So if you want to get even crazier, you can talk about adding a lot more leverage to this with flash loans, okay? So that's the ability to basically borrow millions of dollars in cryptocurrency with zero money down. That means you don't even have to own the cryptocurrency that you're, arbitraging in this case. And I've also made videos on flash loans on this channel already, and we've covered them in depth inside my program, Blockchain Mastery University. All right, now let's go ahead and set the bot up. Head on over to github.com and copy this link in your URL bar here. You can find this link down in the video description below, all right? But go over to your terminal and type git clone and then paste in the link there. So I've already done this. And then once you've done that, go ahead and enter into that directory like this. Say cd price bot, okay? And then you want to install your node packages like this, npm install. And once that's finished, go ahead and open the project in your text editor. I'm using Sublime Text, and you can see all the files created here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the index.js file and just make sure that everything is set up properly. And before you continue, you need access to an Ethereum node. All right, so head on over to infura.io and go ahead and sign up. And then you'll get a link to put inside your project so that you can connect your bot to the blockchain. Once you've got that, go back to your project and find this .env.example file and then create a copy of it, okay? But you want to take off the .example part. So you want to have a .env file by itself. This will be the real thing, okay? And inside this file, I'm not going to show you mine because it has my actual API key inside of it. But for yours, it should basically look like this, all right? Take out these other variables and just fill in the RPC URL with the Infura URL. But you want to make sure that you do the mainnet version, okay? Because we're going to code this against the real Ethereum network. This won't be a test network. All right, so now let's talk about how the bot works from a high level before we boot it up, all right? So first, it's a Node.js app. So basically, it's a server process that runs with Node.js, and once you boot it up, it'll start discovering cryptocurrency prices. So the next thing is that it's blockchain-based. So it's going to look at multiple cryptocurrencies and multiple exchanges that are all native to the blockchain. So all the exchanges on this list are blockchain based, meaning that they're powered by smart contracts. They're decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, and you have access to all these exchanges directly on the blockchain and their cryptocurrency prices by using this bot. So out of the box, this bot watches two different exchanges, okay? It watches Uniswap, which is an automated cryptocurrency exchange that, has multiple cryptocurrencies available, right? And then it also watches Kyber Network, which is another really popular decentralized cryptocurrency exchange powered by smart contracts. And out of the box, this bot already fetches prices for 3 different tokens on each of these exchanges, and it logs them side by side so you can detect any differences, okay? But I'm going to show you how the bot works and how you can extend it to support, really as many exchanges as you want, and then also as many cryptocurrencies as you want. So now let's boot up the bot and just see how it works. So we'll say npm run start. Okay, make sure you've installed all your node packages before you do this. And here you can see it's already logging prices to the console. Now this is kind of big, so I'm going to decrease the font here and actually widen the terminal tab. But whenever you do that, you'll see all the prices logged out to the screen here. So it's checking these prices like every second or every 3 seconds, something like that. I'll show you how to change that inside the settings. But here, you look at the output. You can see the input token right here is
DAI.
The output token is DAI. And you can see the price on Uniswap and the price on Kyber, all right? So already there's even a small price discrepancy here. And of course, you got to factor in slippage and things like that, but I'll talk about how you can factor that in inside the bot. And we're also watching the token for KNC. This is Kyber's own token. And then also for Link, this is the Chainlink token, all right? So you can already see some small differences inside of here. So now I'll take you on a tour of the code to see how it works so you can add more tokens. Like I said, there's basically an infinite list of tokens you could watch, and then also how to support more exchanges because, there's dozens here as well. So let's take a tour of the code. All right, I'm going to close this down so we have more space. Here's all the dependencies for the project imported at the top. Again, this is just the index.js file that's required for Express. Okay, again, this is just a server that runs continuously in the background, and it has a function down here at the bottom, called monitor price, okay, and this runs on an interval. So basically, it checks the price every 3 seconds, so you could change this to, every 1 second, every millisecond, every 5 seconds, whatever you want to do. You can update this value here to continuously log it to the console. So inside this monitor price function, it has this, just main operation that happens over and over again. So what I've done is created a function to check the cryptocurrency pairs, okay? So in this case, you can see the input token is Ethereum, so ETH or Ether. And, here's the actual Ether address. This is kind of funny because Ether is not really a token in terms of like ERC20 tokens, so you have to use this special value here. But then here's the output token, all right, which is DAI. This is a stable cryptocurrency whose price doesn't change. And, here's the address for DAI. And I'll show you how to find these addresses here in a minute. But then finally, you put the input amount. So this is if you want to do 1 token, all right? So we can do that for multiple pairs here. You can just copy and paste this function and add whatever token you want to. So I've done that here for KNC. This is the Kyber Network token. And then also for the Chainlink token link right here, okay? So we'll go inside this function and see that what it does is it basically gets the Uniswap exchange for the token. So let me explain how that works. Basically, Uniswap works on a factory model, so it uses a single smart contract for each token pair. So if I want to trade DAI tokens, then I need to use a specific exchange for that. All right, if I want to use KNC tokens, then I need a specific exchange for that too. All right, but that's okay. I've already wired up the functionality for that. Uniswap basically uses this thing called a factory to find the appropriate exchange. So I've got that set up here, all right? And then basically you just add it automatically finds the correct exchange if you just put in the actual token smart contract address here, okay? So, it does that and then gives you the appropriate exchange, and then it gets the actual price from that exchange. So you can see Uniswap result here. It uses Web3, which connects you to the blockchain to get the actual result, and then that result has a price associated with it. And then it does it for Kyber as well. So we have a Kyber network smart contract wired up here, and that gets the expected return rate for the input token, the output token, and the input amount. And then that, of course, contains the expected price and then also the price with slippage. So again, I mentioned this a minute ago. Slippage is definitely something you have to take into account when you're doing arbitrage. And Kyber treats this sort of like the minimum return value. So if you should basically count on the minimum return being the actual return here. Okay. So, you might see some discrepancy in price here, like, oh, this looks great, like a 4, this discrepancy here looks great, but not necessarily because the min return is actually a lot closer to the actual Uniswap return, okay? And then this is the function where we log everything out to the console with console table, and it generates this nice, pleasing table here that you can see in your terminal tab, okay? So let's continue on and look at a few more things. I'll call it a few more places in the code that are critical to understand. So again, this whole thing is blockchain based. So it doesn't use like any web server APIs or anything like that. It talks directly to the blockchain. So how does that work? Well, it uses Web3 here. So Web3 is the main JavaScript library for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. What it does is it takes your URL to Ethereum node, which you put in your ENV file here earlier, for Infura, and gives you a connection to the blockchain. And then you can use Web3.js to talk to the blockchain. Okay, so I've got several videos on this channel about Web3. If you want to learn more about that, go ahead and check that out. I also cover all this stuff highly in depth inside the Blockchain Bootcamp. So again, when you're talking to Kyber and you're talking to Uniswap, you're talking to smart contracts on the blockchain. And so you need JavaScript versions of those smart contracts in order to basically communicate with them. So you need two pieces of information for that. You need the smart contract ABI, which is what this thing is here, and also smart contract addresses, which is, this thing here. So I'll show you how to get this information in a minute so you can extend this bot to do whatever you want. But once you do that, that's how you support new exchanges, is basically finding their, ABIs and also their addresses. So the same thing for Kyber is done here. All right. And then inside of here, we're able to actually interact with those exchanges directly with Web3 because we have JavaScript versions of those smart contracts where we can fetch the prices. And the same thing for the tokens. They're governed by smart contracts as well. So if you want to add more tokens, you have to find the smart contract address and also the symbol in order to make the bot work properly. All right, so now let's walk through an exercise of actually customizing this. Let's add a new token pair, okay? So I'm going to go to the Etherscan page and look at all the tokens, and let's do the maker token, okay? So click on this and copy the contract address here. So again, this is a smart contract. It's an ERC20 token that runs on top of Ethereum. So all we need is the smart contract address right here. All right, I'm just going to paste it inside of here just for safekeeping. I'm going to wrap it in a string, and then I'm going to copy this. All right, and then add it here, okay? And so I'll modify this to check the maker pair with ETH, okay? So let's see, copy this, put it inside of here as the output token. All right, just that. And then we'll change the symbol. All right, and then, add a string here. And let's run the bot. So npm run start, and let's see if it works. Boom, there we go. So we see we added the new maker token here. So here's the Uniswap return, here's the Kyber expected rate, and then also the Kyber minimum return as well. So that's how you can extend it, but let me leave you with some homework so that you can actually turn this into a major price discovery project. So the first would be to add more tokens. All right, you can do just like I showed you, just add a new function, add the smart contract address and the symbol, and then add more exchanges. Again, there are tons of exchanges on this list. You can just find any of these and, look at their smart contracts on Etherscan, find their ABIs, import them into your project, and then find out how to get their prices. Okay, you can even filter by Ethereum exchanges here. The next thing would be to compare prices. So, in this example, we're just showing the prices here on screen, but you can actually create logic that, says, is this less than this and by how much? And then, based on that, you would want to execute trades. And check out that last video where I actually show you how to trade tokens with your bot. You can combine both these videos together to create something that'll do that for you automatically. And then last, as a bonus, you can implement flash loans into this. So again, that's where you don't even have to have the cryptocurrency in order to arbitrage it. You can basically just borrow as much as you want and then pay it back instantly right after the trade. All right, so that's how you create a profitable cryptocurrency trading bot. So the key to this whole process is finding out price differences so that you can do arbitrage, okay? And that's how you automate this process. You find different cryptocurrency pairs across different exchanges, and you do this at scale. I mean, you can just multiply all these things together and find the opportunities. So if you like this video, then smash the like button down below, and of course, subscribe to this channel so that you see.
Okay, so
you get what I mean now?
about what?
Like how I can't do. I don't know. Like I'm talking and I'm hearing the video. Hold on. I lost my train of thought. How he uses the bots to kind of get that passive income.
Yeah.
You're kind of doing that already.
Yeah, though I'm not using a bot to do it.
Right. I'm saying I'm willing to learn that to make that.
Yeah.
Because if you want, and then I don't know about blockchains, but as I'm learning this stuff, I will probably end up figuring something out. And I can look into more blockchain stuff, but right now, I don't know the first thing about creating a blockchain. But by doing this, I might learn something more. Like, oh, maybe we can do this. Like, hell, you might get it to the point where we can just do that and it can convert for us. We can have it convert, and then as that's doing that, we learn how to make a blockchain, and then we implement our blockchain to it.
Hey, leftover chicken soup. What's up, man?
Leftover chicken soup.
Trying to learn a bit
definitely 4
about
minutes.
crypto and non-fungible tokens. Over 4 minutes, damn.
No, it's not. It's a good 30 seconds though.
I figured if somebody like you stopped in, we could play a little bit of chess.
I got my chest open too. But I have also, if you're interested in that, going Visual Studios is free now.
Yeah.
So I got that, and I downloaded Python 3 because Python 3 can be actually implemented in Visual Studio. So,
I think it's easier just to use a Linux machine because of the whole GitHub repository. So
Visual Studio has a terminal built into it.
yeah, but I think it's just easier to use a Linux machine.
I don't have a Linux machine, and I'm not gonna make one just to do this when I can just use Visual Studio's code.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Now, if I had a spare laptop that I could just erase and that was decent, that I didn't care about gaming or anything, and I could just throw Linux on there and I'm just going to use the code, then yeah. But
all right, chicken soup. I don't know what that's like the score you're trying to get, or that's the score that you're trying to get.
Yeah, he's rolling that score.
That's what I'm saying.
I haven't been able to 420 since I started 710s.
It's been a little while. Post the challenge link there.
I got that candle.
Break this down. I can read a bit about non-fungible tokens. Leveraging the simple ledger protocol built on top of Bitcoin blockchain, Bitcoin Cash blockchain.
Do.
Wax.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, I clicked your challenge and it did not. Oh, I'm already registered. That's not how you do that. Gotta click. Play a friend.
Yeah,
And
you
then
can
do
click player friend. That's just
That's
a
how you
challenge.
get people to. Yeah, that's how you get people to play you.
Yeah,
Is by.
yeah.
But
Anyway,
when I click yours, it makes me register. Oh, or is that a? Yeah, and it says register. Yeah, it makes them register. You trying to invite? Yeah, invite friends. I get it. I don't know why they do it that way. What if they already have an account?
then you log in.
Gotcha. I suck.
So I don't know what it did or didn't do here.
Did or didn't do what?
I clicked on your link and I don't know what the fuck happened. Oh,
Try
there
it
you go.
again.
Accept.
There you go. Oh, I didn't do that.
What didn't you do?
That move.
Well, I'm white, you're black.
They're saying I'm white. Oh, I'm playing. Why is the board that way? Hold on. How do I flip the board?
Well, you got 30 seconds. There's a little square next to the setting icon. It says flip board. Hey, Sark, how's it going?
Yeah. I can't play from this angle.
Did you find the little thing here? I mean, if you're watching the stream,
Yeah.
it's right hit.
Yeah, I got it. Oh,
Oh no. Just joined a random match, now you're getting your ass beat. Cloud9 is the best place to play from currently. No, definitely not. You know, play like that, you better be pretty good. Choop, shoop, dee, doop, boop, boop.
Ah, fuck! I didn't notice that shit.
How did you not notice
Uh,
that shit? I mean, you put your queen
I
like
wasn't
right
paying
fucking
attention.
there.
I wasn't paying attention to the upright angle. I wasn't paying attention to that.
You bring your
I
queen out
was
to
thinking
attack
my
me,
head was.
and
I
you're like,
know.
uh...
I did. I tard flipped there hard.
You got the drool cleaned off your chin yet?
No, I'm used to looking at my pieces from at the bottom too. So like it's a little bit different playing with all my pieces at the top of the board.
You didn't flip it yet?
I did flip it. All it did was. No, I
I
flipped it.
guess. Boom,
I clicked
boom,
it, and
boom,
all
boom,
it
boom,
did
boom,
was
boom,
change our
boom,
names.
boom, 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 boom.
Let's see. No. Here.
What should I do? You like to try that one again?
Yeah.
Oh, bitch. But actually,
You want to go again?
I don't care. LOLs?
Yeah, I fucked up. So I went lols. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Uh,
Well, fuck, by
you know
move
what?
5, you were looking pretty good there.
I know I made that one mistake, and it's gonna probably cost me now. It always comes down to one move, normally. Now I have to go it a different way. Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
Chicken beams in the stream too. So time to start trading pieces.
Not yet. Not just yet.
Not
Not
yet, he
just
says.
yet. Not
Not
just
yet.
yet. Not just yet. Close. Close there. This is a nail biter. I didn't think I was gonna come back like that. Getting there though. Shit. There it goes. There goes the game, folks. We was trading them queens eventually. Hmm. That's
According to the stats, you should win. Give the fuck up.
Good game.
Yeah. 4 mistakes, 14 blunders, 7 missed wins.
I had 1 miss win, 2 mistakes, and 11 blunders. Fuck you. Fuck you. Do it again.
Oh, fuck.
Actually, misplayed. I could have got you a turd earlier.
Been practicing or something?
Yeah, I've been doing the challenges. The one that's really helped me a lot is the solo chest under the puzzles. Because like you can go back and look
Fuck, I
at what
can't
you
hear you.
did. I said, yeah, I've been doing the puzzle solo chest. Because you go under there and can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I've been doing the puzzle solo chest, the challenge mode, because it gives you 3 chances to kind of like you get 3 levels for like 3 puzzles each level, and you can kind of go back and check where you made a mistake, but it still doesn't count against like as a good mark. It gives it a red mark, and I've just been doing those.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I'll be back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
All right. Hey, Marco Reef, what's up? How you doing tonight? I wish I could make my chat bigger in Streamlabs.
I don't know.
Feel like I could see the bigger words.
I still do not know how to do this fucking mod thing on here.
Okay, well you're on my
It does not work on the app at all.
you're on my stream, right?
I'm watching your stream, yes.
Okay, so see if Beef's on. Yep, he's on. I got Beef. Say what's up. Let him know we're here.
Oh, somebody just cleaned me up on the
Turn him up a bit. Get a mod view. Okay, so in this view, I have quite a bit of control over his stream. I don't have all kinds.
One more. No way.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't have this on the I see what you're saying now.
Yeah.
Definitely does not have this on the app for iPhone, at least, that I'm aware of.
They sitting there. Yeah, but I'm about to get hungry as hell. Hungry as hell.
Now, somewhere in here is going to give me here, edit mod view. Nope.
Let's start, bitch.
I'm done for today, Beef. Call it good, brother. You got one dub.
I can just edit it from there. It's the little pencil right next to the name.
Oh, next to the name.
Yeah. says cryptocurrency talks and maybe some chess. There's a little edit stream info. You can do it there.
I can't even get out of this shit right now.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it right off the top, but I know it's there. I don't usually keep mod view open because it's very easy to delete comments and ban people without meaning to.
Yeah.
Whew.
Been there, done that. Because I was actually streaming and Beef comes into my stream and asks me why I banned the one kid. I'm like, I banned him? I didn't know I banned him. Oh, I did not mean to. I'm sorry.
No, I usually if you go over to the users in chat, like you can write you can click their name and it brings up a whole thing what to do.
Oh my god. Sloppy poppy.
Like when you're in mod view, if you go users in chat, it's a channel tool.
Yeah. Go if you're still in here.
Hit the little
I'm
people
hopping out
up
of
at
here
the
tonight,
top
man.
corner
I got
there.
a fucking headache and a half.
No. The top in the stream
But,
chat bar. It says stream chat, and then there's like a little
man.
icon of like a parent and another one.
The
Yeah, click
bearded
that.
man-child.
What am I supposed to do with that?
As they call me.
Then click on you click
Is
on the
king.
user.
Some
If you have a
algorithm,
discrepancy and it
and
brings
I
up
have yet
everything
to
that like you
show
can
the
replace.
Oh,
love
yeah,
of
yeah.
this man.
You can ban them.
But he raided me a couple weeks ago with a good amount of people, and I have yet to catch him back. So later, Sloppy. I'll be on this shit tomorrow, pretty much all day. You know, the next day, you know, be on this shit all the time. But I just got a bitchin' headache. Oh shit. But go check out the man. Hit him back with the raid. Just hit him back with some love. He hit me with it one time, so everybody, appreciate you for hopping in here, chatting, saying what's good, hanging out with the man Beef. Appreciate y'all. But I'll be back on this bitch tomorrow. I'll go raid.
Okay, so NFTs. Apparently, we can download the simple Ledger protocol to make us an NFT. We put a little bit of Bitcoin Cash in our wallet, and within the wallet, there is an option to create a token.
And we just convert that amount of Bitcoin into our crypto.
Into our NFT.
Yeah.
Yeah. It takes like a nickel to make an NFT. We need the interplanetary file system. So I'm gonna get HDMI cord here and plug my laptop in. My other laptop. Duplicate the display. Here's my capture card. I get rid of display capture. We'll leave it up till this boots. Is this not working? What is going on here?
What? So I do think I'm actually going to, I think I'm just going to uninstall that Microsoft and instead use KDE Neon because it's a lightweight Linux distribution that can just use GitHub repositories and everything's GitHub. So I'll just run it in a virtual machine.
There we go. Want a mirror? What the fuck is it black?
Huh?
Trying to figure out why the fuck my capture card. Oh, that's the microphone. Video capture device. Here we go. Deactivate and activate. Refreshed. Okay. Now we got Kali open. What does it say? Sorry, command crashed. That's some bullshit.
Try sudo.
Yeah, it must be sudo. I got a previous command in here. It's sudo. Damn, there's actually a couple updates. I like how installing shit in Linux is so easy.
Yep.
Like, you don't have to fucking go download the file, open the file, run the file. Or I should say, decompress the file, run the file. You just fucking type in sudo apt install, name of the program. It goes out, searches the web for it, downloads it, does it all. It didn't like it. Not connect, communicate with server. It did not like to snap the socket. Oh, I need to log out, restart, or log out and log back in. It did not like it still. Maybe I should restart then. Oh shit. Okay, so that's the problem there. That it's not actually reaching out to install. What do I need? Apt-get.
Uh, it should be apt dash get, yeah.
Still did the same thing now.
Did you sudo?
Yeah. I don't know that it's recognizing the snapd command. And I can show you. I throw my display capture up here. I was looking to install IPFS desktop, which is installable from the Snap store, so I have to install the Snap store. Okay, so here's another way to install it. Can I run two terminals updating this app shit at the same time?
I don't believe so.
I didn't think so. Says it's only got a minute left, so that's not too bad.
Oh, my head.
Do you have Tor?
uh, I have it, yeah.
I was gonna say if you don't have it, I'd recommend getting it.
I have a fucking splitting headache. Hold on.
No, I don't know what I did. Typed in upgrade. Yeah. All right. Oh, appreciated.
I won't even learn.
Appreciated. I think, let's see what Corey's doing here. Nice. Probably been having a network error for the past hour. Oh, it's up on my end. Yeah, I was gonna say click refresh, it'll probably be alright.
Alright, I'm getting off.
Alright, later on.
It started out just like any other day, when my world crashed down and I was left without a word to say. It started out like a fever in the night, without warning. Now I've got no chance if I don't stand a fight. I've got no choice, I promise to survive. I've got nothing left to lose tonight. Heartbroken, face shaking, forsaken, cold and left to die. That's when I come alive. Heartbroken, face shaking, forsaken, cold and left to die. That's when I come
The Lewy body dementia.
That's been deadly.
Huh.
There is this writing crystal for you that it will pass as died from suicide and of an intense confusing, relatively swift at the hand. He was not, I don't know why he was not alone in his traumatic experience with this neurologic disease. As you may know, almost, I mean, I knew he did this, but I knew. At one point, that are suffering similarly right now. Although not alone. Not until for 3 months death would I learn that it was his diffusely body that took all 4 of the doctors I met with after was one of the worst pathology he'd seen. He had 40% loss of dopamine and almost no neurons working to Lewy body disease or Lewy body or brain.
They were only married 2 years.
They were together for
She said I will find within myself, find my haven if I only take her hand. Why are you still? Why do you do? Why don't you move? There's so much more you could make of this world. And she said,
Did they not finish at the museum? I don't know. Hey, Carlos, what's up? Oh, apparently they did.
diagnosed with Parkinson's.
When you feel like
Hence, it is Parkinson's.
That also explains why I thought he had Parkinson's. So possible missing firmware libraries.
So that they can find it on a find it.
Yeah, Lewy body protein. Oh.
Yeah. I didn't know that they guess they never diagnosed.
I've been living in paradise, and no more waiting on you tonight. And my dreams will never ever die. Can you feel that spark in our bones tonight? can I go tonight? Whoa, violence of baby tonight. If I lose myself tonight, oh, I know that you're gonna be there by my side. If I lose myself tonight, I'm gonna reach higher up into the sky.
When the downtown lights start to come out at night, we go insane, we go insane. And when I arrive, I start to lose my mind. I go insane, I go insane. Cause they told me you take too much. Yeah, I sure do, so I can feel that now. If they only knew how this was, yeah, they would too, just to feel that now. Cause I ain't got no friends, I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. When the downtown lights start to come out at night, we go insane, we go insane. And when I arrive, I start to lose my mind. I go insane, I go insane. Cause they told me you take too much. Yeah, I sure do, so I can feel that now. If they only knew how this was, yeah, they would too, just to feel that now. Cause I ain't got no friends, I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. Cause they told me you take too much. Yeah, I sure do, so I can feel that now. If they only knew how this was, yeah, they would too, just to feel that now. Cause I ain't got no friends, I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. A moonlit road.
Okay, babe. No problem. what a pain in the ass it is to make cryptocurrencies. It's really not that bad, but
can see your sunshine dripping out your sleeves onto my lifeline. Oh, good. Oh, you didn't mean to leave a trail for me, but you didn't know whichever it is. It's alright with me. If it's alright with you, then I could be whatever it is that you need me to, my love. 'Cause you're golden. 'Cause you're golden. Let me shine like one would be if they hadn't been love right. Sleeping all the time, I know why you stay inside. Safer to stay alive. Whatever it is, it's alright with me. If it's alright with you, then I could be whatever it is that you need me to, my love. 'Cause you're golden. 'Cause you're golden. Golden boy. 'Cause you're golden. Golden boy. It's okay if you want me. Cause you're golden.
You only want to chase the feeling again. Let's be friends. You only need what's best for you and not them. Don't pretend. Now I don't wanna lose sleep thinking about everything we could be. Let's just see what comes to be. She said we're all made in Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe. We just see everything. We just see everything. We just see everything we believe. We just see everything. always feel like you're never aware. You're a part of me, but we're so apart. Where is your heart? Now I don't wanna lose sleep, thinking about everything we could be. Let's just see what comes to be. She said, we're all made in Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe.
I was walking through the desert, searching for the truth. Left everything behind me, went looking out for you. Walking through the daylight and sleep under the moon. Why is every single sighting a mirage the same as the moon? You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight, yeah, stay tonight. If you come while I'm away, yeah, stay tonight, stay tonight, stay tonight. Went swimming in the ocean, don't know which one it was. I was diving to the bottom, searching for your love. I heard it was a treasure no one has ever seen. You hide inside a locket, buried in the sand beneath. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight, yeah, stay tonight. If you come while I'm away, yeah, stay tonight, stay tonight, stay tonight.
me. I'm giving the fuck up for tonight, people.